morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be studying a very interesting topic, that is one and many. Right? One means ek or many means bahut zyada. So let's just begin with this. And by giving the examples, it will be very clear to you this concept. So the title of our chapter is it's one and many, right? How many toys or dolls do you have? You just have to write that how many types of toys and dolls you have, right? So all the naming words, they are either only one or you can say many in number. जो naming words होते हैं या तो वो एक होते हैं या फिर उससे ज्यादा होते हैं. When, ठीक है, when any naming word is only one in number, अगर कोई भी naming word one in number होगा, then it is known as singular number, like boy, girl, bus, etc. When any naming word is more than one or many, then it is known as plural number, like boys, girls, buses, etc. कि जैसे boys, बहुत सारे girls, बहुत सारी buses. You just have to look at the pictures of one and many, right? Over here you can see apple, this is apples, right? You can see mango, then it's mangoes, right? Next is bus, और हम देख सकते हैं बहुत सारी buses है, it's buses, right? We usually add s to the words that make many. हम s add करते हैं जिससे कि वो many बन जाए, जैसे कि a pen, many pens, right? A ball, many balls, बहुत सारे s हो गए. Then by adding es to the word ending with s, ss, ch, o and x, इन सारे वर्ड्स के हम पीछे क्या लगा देंगे, es लगा देंगे, जैसे कि a bus, many buses, right? A brush, many brushes, right? आप देख सकते हैं sh के आगे es लगा दिया. Then next is a watch, then it is many watches, right? A fox, this is many foxes. There is a fact file that some words are changed in special ways where we can turn them to many. For example, man का men, right? Child का children, children हमेशा plural में रहता है. Mouse का mice, right? Next is tooth का teeth, and then next is ox का oxen. There is a recap that naming words are only one or many in number. Naming words can be one, it can be more than one. Only one naming words को हम singular number बोलते हैं, and many naming words are known as plural number. We add s or es to one to make many. s और es add करते हैं ताकि एक को many बना सके, right? Moving on to the exercise, right? Pick the correct options first we'll be doing. So there is only here is saying that there is only one naming word. This is only one naming word. वो कौन सा है? This is boy, right? This is many naming word, जैसे कि boys, क्योंकि उसमें s लगा हुआ है. Many of one pen is pens, right? This is not only one naming word. एक naming word नहीं है, that is men, क्योंकि वो बहुत सारे men के बारे में ऐड करा है. We usually add मतलब we usually make many by adding both what, ss, ess या फिर s. Sometimes we use to add what, that is s, usually जो हम ऐड करते हैं. Now make many of the following words by adding s. जैसे bag को हम क्या बना देंगे, bags बना देंगे, right? Next is hat का hats हो जाएगा, right? Moving on to the rat, that is rats हो जाएगा. Then it's bat का bats हो जाएगा, right? Then house का houses हो जाएगा. Horse का horses हो जाएगा. Next is toffee, toffee का toffees हो जाएगा. And flower का flowers हो जाएगा, right? Then we have studied about adding es, जैसे कि bench का benches, right? Clothes का clothes, es add कर देंगे हम. Bus का buses. Moving on to the next is bush का bushes, right? Then next is potato का potatoes. Fox का foxes, right? Watch का watches. And bunch का bunches. Write the following words under their suitable need. जैसे कि one, अब आप देखिए one और हमें many में, अब देखिए ये बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस दे रखे हैं हमें. अब देखिए बोट, बोट के आगे कोई एस नहीं लगा है, इसलिए वो किस में आएगा, वन में आएगा. शिप्स किस में आएगा, मैनी में आएगा, राइट? बैट्स किस में आएगा, मैनी में आएगा, क्योंकि वो बहुत सारी बैट्स हैं. डेस्क किस में आएगा, वन में आएगा. चेयर भी किस में आएगा, वन में आएगा, राइट? टेबल्स किस में आएगा, मैनी में आएगा, राइट? काउज यहाँ पे आएगा, दैट इज मैनी में, राइट? देन पर्ल मीन्स मोती, जो कि हम एक पर्ल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. देन इट्स डॉल, अगेन इट्स वन. टॉयज यहाँ पे आएगा मैनी में, राइट? मैन भी मैनी में आएगा, और चाइल्ड वन में आएगा. अगर यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन लिखा होगा तो इट विल कम अंडर मैनी, राइट? So I hope you all understood about one and many. Please make sure that you will find out several words while going through the reading. You will come across several words. Please try to make plural of them by adding, that is, try to make many of them by adding s and es, keeping in mind कि आपको s usually में लगाना है और es आपको ending with s, ss, ch, sh, o and xk and में आपको es लगाना है. Please make sure that you will revise the previous concept as well as this concept, and please keep smiling, stay hydrated. Thank you.